Alright, here we go. Here's the exit ticket for today. I hope everyone remembers doing this the other day. But in case not, we're going to go through it anyway. So, if you could please follow along, pay attention. We're going to go through this. Now, we hadn't gone quite this far before, but you have all the tools. The last couple years you've learned everything, how to do this, how to combine like terms, how to add and subtract, multiply to make things simpler. So let's go through this. We've got 2x minus 5 plus 4x equals 15 minus 6x minus 4. All right, here we go. You can do all this. 2x minus 5 plus 4x equals 15 minus 6x minus 4. Now we know in an equation that this side is equal to this side. So no matter what we do to this side or this side, we have to do the same thing on the opposite side. If we want to add 5 to get rid of this on this side, we've got to add 5 on this side. All right? Let's go through here. We'll go like this. But first of all, let's combine like terms. If we look at the right side first, or you can look at the left side first, it doesn't matter, because either way, we're going to keep this equal. This side's always going to equal this side, because we're going to finally solve for x equals down here. All right? So let's go through it. Let's combine like terms first. Can we add 2x, or can we add 2x and 5 or 2x minus 5? No, not right now. We can't do anything with that. What about 2x plus 4x? Isn't that the same as 2x is x plus x? That's 2x. 4x is x plus x plus x plus x. So what's that equal? It equals 6x. Okay? So we can go 6x, we combine these two, 6x minus 5 equals, over here it's simple, 15 minus 4. We'll leave the negative 6x because we can't combine that with anything. So 15 minus 4 is going to give us 11 and minus 6x, okay? So now we just simplified. Look at how big this was, and now it's like this. It's much easier to work with. It's going to be really simple from here. So what if we want to get rid of 5 over here? We'll leave our x over here. Let's get rid of our 5. So if we add 5 over here and 5 over here, that'll make this 0. So to get rid of that, and just add 5 to here. So we'll go like this. Plus 5, plus 5. That's going to equal 16 minus 6x. Oops, 6x. And these are going to cancel. So we have 6x equals 16 minus 6x. So now what do you think we can do? What if we, to get rid of this, we want our x over here. We've already kind of figured that. What do we want to do to get rid of this? What if we add 6x to both sides? That'll get rid of this 6x. Add 6x over here. 0 plus 6x is going to be 12x equals 16. Now, we're going to end up, we can already kind of tell that we're going to end up with something that's probably not going to be a whole number, all right? So, what do we want to do? We want to get x by itself over here. So, if we divide by 12, wouldn't that make this 12 over 12 is the same as 1? So wouldn't that make it 1x, which is the same as x? So then we could have x equals, if we divide by 12 over here, we have to divide by 12 over here. There's our answer. 16 over 12, which equals the same as 4 over 3, doesn't it? If I divide 16 by 4 and 12 by 4, isn't that the same as 4/3? Or, wouldn't that give me the same answer? I'd accept any one of these, but you need to simplify it. You need to get down to here. I would accept this one or this one, okay? Always simplify. If you've got a common denominator for both these, 16 divided by 4 and 12 divided by 4, you could have divided it by 2 first, because it's really simple. It'd be 8/6, but then divide it by 2 again, would be 4/3. So here's your answer. So now we're going to plug it back in here. All right? We're going to plug in 1 1/3 for every x. Now this is going to be kind of tough, okay? So let's start over here. Okay, we're going to put 1 1/3 in here. 2 times 1 1/3. Everywhere x is, we're going to put 1 1/3, because x equals 1 1/3. Okay? Minus 5 plus 4 times 1 1/3. But, and we're going to switch this. We're going to make it 4/3 here in a minute. 6 times 1 1/3 minus 4. Okay? We're going to change this. In fact, we'll do it right now. We'll make it easier. We're going to make it 4/3, which is the same as 1 1/3. Okay? It just makes it easier to multiply, divide, add, whatever we need to do. Equals 4/3. 4/3 and 4/3. Okay, first, let's do this. Let's distribute this. We've got 2 times 4/3, so that's 8/3. Minus 5 plus 4 times 4/3, that's 16/3. And we'll just leave it all in, 16/3. Leave it all in thirds for now, it'll make it a lot easier. We've got 15 minus 6 times 4/3. What would that be? Looks like 24/3, right? Okay, now let's get back to here. What's 8/3 plus 16/3? 24/3. Negative 5 plus 24/3 equals 15 minus 24/3 minus 4. So let's just add this up here. What's 24/3? Is that the same as 8? 24 divided by 3? 8, 24, 0. Okay, 24/3. So we've got negative 5 plus 8 over here. And over here, we've got 15 minus 8 minus 4. So let's bring this down. Let's go 8 minus 4, it is 4. All right. We will go like this. 8 minus 4. What's negative 5 plus 8? If we're going down the timeline, negative 5, we're this side of 0, plus 8, it's going to give us 3, correct? 15 minus 8 is 7, minus 4 is 3. Our answer's good. We double checked it, we went through it. It's pretty simple. I know this took a little longer than it should have, and it's a little more complicated than it. It's actually easier than it looks if you just go step by step. So that satisfies this. All right.